In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to scrape Vinted using ScrapeBadger. You can pull data from all 26 markets without worrying about proxies, blocks, or any of the usual headaches, so you can focus entirely on getting the data you need. The good news is that ScrapeBadger offers a free trial, no credit card required. You'll get 1,000 free credits, which is more than enough to properly test everything out. So let's get started by creating an account. You can sign up using Google, GitHub, or just your email. Once you've done that, you should land to your dashboard. As you can see, 1,000 free credits is applied, and the first thing we need to do is to set up your API key. I already have a few keys here, but let's create a new one together. Let's name it Vinted Test. Click Create Key. Nice and simple. Then go to the Dedicated Scrapers section and choose the Vinted Scraper. This is your Vinted Scraper playground. As you can see, there are 8 different endpoints available. You can get search items, item details, a user's profile, a user's items, and also reference data like brands, colors, conditions, and markets. So everything you need is already here. Let's start with the most popular endpoint, search items. Select the API key you just created and move on to the parameters. This is where the magic happens. Here we need to enter a query. For this example, let's go with Patagonia vest. You can always make it more specific later if needed. Next, select the market from the list. I'll choose UK so it will scrape info from vinted.com. Set the page number to 1. Items per page, I choose 50. Now the price range. Let's set it from 20 euros to 70 euros, just as an example. Brand ID. We'll skip it since we're already searching for Patagonia. Colors. Skip. Status ID. Skip as well. If you need more precise filtering, you can always add those later. For sorting, you can choose relevance, newest first, price low to high, or price high to low. For this example, let's go with newest first and click execute. That was fast. We already have the data here, structured in clean JSON format. Now let's check one of the results. Here's the URL. Open it and take a look. Patagonia vest, exactly what we searched for. You also get all the details here, user information, photo URLs, and pretty much everything else you might need. No scraping headaches, no missing fields, just clean data. You can copy this data, export it to another format, and plug it straight into your workflow. We also provide SDKs, so you can easily integrate this scraper into your own system using Python or JavaScript. You can find them directly on our website. Just go to developers, and there they are. If you need more details about the Vinted Scraper, you can also check the documentation right here. It covers key features, supported markets, endpoints, and everything else you might need to get started. All right, I hope this was helpful and hopefully saved you a few hours of trial and error. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. As always, it was a pleasure walking you through this, and I hope to see you in the next video.